This is video of a tornado in western Wisconsin yesterday.
National Weather Service meteorologists in La Crosse said storms started to blossom along the Mississippi River, and then they moved east, producing this.
Let's check in with storm teammate Scott Larson in the tracking center. So, Scott, was this the same system that brought the damaging winds to West Michigan?
That's right, George and Teresa. This was a far-reaching system. We had an enhanced risk of severe weather, which really blanketed most of Wisconsin into eastern Minnesota, and then into Illinois, Indiana, and of course West Michigan, as we experienced some of those stronger storms that occurred last night. At first, as you showed there, we did have some tornado touchdowns in Wisconsin. Many reports of hail also, which did contrast to what we experienced locally, which was primarily a damaging wind threat. As you can see that we did have those strong winds up and down the lakefront. Quite a few reports of wind damage also in and around Grand Rapids and spread throughout the area. So a very potent storm system resulting in more than 400 different reports of severe weather overall. Let's get a look at some of the strongest wind gusts that we experienced locally. 76 miles per hour in Battle Creek, 67 in Saugatuck, 61 miles per hour in Norton Shores, Grand Rapids, and Muskegon, 57 in Whitehall, further off to the north. There's the scene in Muskegon right now, and things are much more peaceful this morning, beginning to see just a little bit of daylight in Grand Rapids right now. Our temperatures are in the 50s and 60s, and the wind is very calm at about 5 miles per hour or less, but that'll be strengthening into this afternoon, gusts approaching 30 miles per hour from the south. Here's a glance at our morning planner. Clear skies anticipated with temperatures making it up to 72 at 10 o'clock this morning. At lunchtime today at noon, a temperature of 77 degrees. Sunset happening at 9 p.m. Now, most of the day is going to be quiet and sunny. A few more clouds will start to work in this evening, and a chance of seeing some severe storms once again tonight, though the chance is far less than what we saw last night. Here's a look at Futurecast. It shows that there will be a chance of some isolated showers at first at about 5, 6 o'clock this evening. There you can see that we have some more thunderstorms filling the radar at 9 o'clock, and still a chance of some thunderstorms at about 11 o'clock tonight before it looks like things will wind down in terms of storm intensity. We will have a chance of seeing some hit and miss showers on Saturday before it looks like we dry things out on Sunday. Overall this weekend should experience about 1/10 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of rainfall in West Michigan. So a little bit soggy out there. There's that marginal risk of severe storms tonight. A couple of those could have winds exceeding 40 miles per hour or some small hail, timing between about 8 o'clock and midnight. Once the storms pass, you can see that we're going to have our temperatures fall substantially. It'll also be far less humid next week, with dew points falling into the lower and middle 40s. The 8-day forecast showing that temperatures hold steady in those low to mid 60s.